Hey there, thanks for joining me for part 2 of Jojo and the food fight. So when I last read to you, I asked your prediction for this story. What did you think was going to happen to Jojo? Do you think he's going to get his memory back? What do you think is going to happen to the other animals? Do you think they will ever get along? So those are kind of my questions. What were your predictions for this story? Do you think something crazy is going to happen? What do you think is going to go on? Okay, let's find out. So I'm going to reread this page. The lion roared, "Who has another banana for Jojo?" Within moments, all the animals came out of their hiding places, waving ripe yellow bananas. "Oh, how nice!" cried Jojo. "Is it snack time? I love snack time." The animals sat down around the parasol table, glaring at each other suspiciously. "Are any of these other animals our friends too?" Jojo asked the lion. "Of course, we're all friends," the animals said. "We go to school together." Jojo tilted his head, looking confused. "And do you always fight like this at school too?" The animals looked at each other for a moment. Then the monkey said, "Well, no. We all used to be friends," said the hippopotamus. "But then, what happened?" asked Jojo. All the animals pointed at each other. "He started it." "No, she did." "He hit me first." "She called me names." They were all about to start throwing fruit again when Jojo tapped the table. "Excuse me, we called time out, didn't we? And when someone calls that time out, that means time out." Everyone froze. Then the animals peeled their bananas. And since they were very delicious bananas, much better for eating than for throwing at each other, everyone began to relax and smile. "I have some mangoes too," said the kangaroo. "Anyone want one?" She took a few plump mangoes out of her pouch. "I could share some papayas," said the lion. Before you could blink, star fruits, passion fruits, pomegranates, and plums had appeared as if by magic. What a feast! Everyone ate as much fruit as they wanted, and a good mood spread over the table. As they ate, the animals began to remember all the good times they'd had together not so very long ago. Jojo smiled. "Isn't this nice? It reminds me of my birthday party last year when you all came over to my house. Remember?" Everyone fell silent. "We thought you lost your memory!" the animals cried. "I guess I found it," replied Jojo with a mischievous grin. "You tricked us," the animals shouted, but they were laughing now, not angry. They all threw their banana peels at Jojo, who was laughing too. And for the rest of the day, all the animals celebrated. Late into the night, even after the moon rose high in the sky, they danced and played together, for peace and friendship had returned to the jungle. The end. So, with your story, did your prediction come true? Do you predict that this is what would have happened in the story? If not, which ending did you like better? Did you like your ending or did you like the story's ending? Or if you did guess it correctly, how do you think it could have changed? All right, I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you so much.